Hello and welcome to Foraging and Cooking with Kids. If you go foraging for food in the wild, be 100% sure that you pick the right kind. Use books and apps to make no mistakes. And kids, never eat anything out of the wild without asking your parents. As a side note, allergies and sensitivities are also common in wild food. Not often, but it can happen. Be aware. Red clover, a quite tasty plant. When I introduced the flower to my kids, they said it tastes like hay smelts and it has a little hint of sweet. Red clover is not just clover what grows in your lawn, like the small white to pinkish strawberry clover. No. Red clover grows up to 18 inches, 45 centimeters tall. It has a hairy and hollow stem, and the leaves are alternated and divided into 3 leaves. The leaves are dark green with a light green V sometimes on it. The flowers are pink, purple, or even red sometimes. It is very healthy as well and has lots of health benefits. Especially for us women, it can relieve the symptoms of menopause, what is a big help through our struggles. Usually you make a tea with it. If cold or hot, it doesn't matter. But we are not just making tea today, we are making again a substitute flour for muffins.
That's a good choice for this.
We collect red clover all the time when we see them, so we do it step by step, little by little, that we have always a handful of clovers in our pockets. We wash them very thoroughly because we have some dust and some bugs on it what we do not need and want. After collecting and cleaning, we always put them out on a little bowl to let them air dry. If you have a lot, you can also put them in a dehydrator, but we have only a hand always full. But after a while, it's getting more and more and more and more and more. So for our recipe today, we need a half a cup of dried red clover powder. So we use just a handful of red clover and put them in the grinder and grind them up till we have a fine powder. So let's begin with our recipe, red clover tea muffins. You need 1.5 cups flour, a half a cup red clover powder, a half a cup sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, a half a teaspoon salt, 3/4 cups milk, a half a cup melted butter, 2 eggs, and optional, we added some fresh flowers as well. We begin to mix all our wet ingredients together. And then slowly adding the rest. We preheated our oven to 350 Fahrenheit and start scooping the dough out and put them in the cups.
Kind of looks like that.
That's okay.
That's when you put it in.
Good job. And on top, we sprinkle some sugar that it gets a nice sugary crust on top of it. Finish it, and then you can lick your fingers. Then we're baking it on 350 Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Meanwhile, we're making a tea as well. We are taking a couple of fresh flowers and pour hot water over it. Healthy and very delicious. We hope you enjoy our videos. If you do, please subscribe. Till then, stay healthy and happy. See you next time with foraging and cooking with kids.